Here in this question, we have three identical rods connected to each other in form of a pin-jointed truss. This point A is connected to a pin support, and this point B is connected to a roller support, meaning that it can move in this horizontal direction. Now, the question is saying if we increase the temperature of this rod and keep these other two rods in the same reference temperature, how would this theta angle change as a function of delta T? So if we increase the temperature of AB rod, as you can see in this simplified diagram, roller B moves to the right, the length of AB increases, and the rod CB will also rotate this much. Now we need to determine theta as a function of delta T. We know the equation for thermal strain is alpha delta T, and this alpha is thermal expansion coefficient. So AB star minus AB divided by AB is equal to alpha delta T. So BB star would be L alpha delta T. Now we know this triangle is an equilateral triangle, meaning that all of its angles are the same, which is 60 degrees. Now if we draw the altitude of this triangle, this angle here would be 30 degrees. So this angle would be theta minus 30 degrees. This is going to be L divided by 2, and this altitude length would be cosine of 30 degrees multiplied by L, which is square root of 3 divided by 2 multiplied by L. So for this triangle, if we name this point H, we can write tangent of theta minus 30 would be HB star divided by CH. We know HB star is HB plus BB star. HB is L divided by 2, and BB star is L alpha delta T. And we know CH is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 multiplied by L. So HB star divided by CH would be 1 plus 2 alpha delta T divided by square root of 3. Now, using these equations, we can write theta is equal to arctangent of 1 plus 2 alpha delta T divided by square root of 3 plus 30 degrees. That's it. We determined theta as a function of delta T, and that's what the question was asking. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. That's a great way to support us. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to write your comments below. Thank you, and see you in the next video.